Hi, family. What's up, people? Hello, friends. Welcome and welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl, the Anoja, in the beauty. And today, guys, I came again with another wonderful video. But first, if this is the first time you're seeing my beautiful face, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please do ensure to hit on the subscribe button. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post new video, you'll be the first to be notified. You will be notified whenever I upload new video. So in this video, guys, I'm actually doing my makeup right now. I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm done with my foundation, as you can see, and I'm just using my highlighter to highlight my face so I can look so simple and osha prapra. I'm actually doing a very simple makeup because I know where I'm going to just going to see a friend, so I'm actually doing a very simple makeup, flawless makeup, no eyeshadows and whatnot. Ha! These eyelashes, like, I basically struggled to put these eyelashes today. I don't know why. I've never struggled like this, like in fixing my lashes, but today's one is different. But it's sure cool, anyways. It's cool. I finally got it anyway. So currently, right now, what am I doing? I want to line my lips. So I'll be lining my lips, and I'm just using my brown eye pencil or my brown whatever you can call it to actually line my lips. I'm going to use a very faint nude lipstick. I actually got this lipstick from one my Hairways Instagram page like that. I think I'll be linking it in the description box so that you can also patronize her. She sells good lipstick, she sells good hair, and the rest of that. I normally get my hair from her too as well, and it's very cheap and kind of affordable. So I just finished and I'm kind of retouching my face. This fine girl, I'm retouching it. So once I'm just done with my makeup, I think I'll just be wearing a simple dress, of which definitely I'm going to show you guys how I look. So currently right now I'm just trying to fix my hair properly so that I can cover my cap. We ladies and we thank God for this thing called wig because if not, when we start making hair like me, I don't really like plenty stress. Anyways, but we are ladies, we got to do what we got to do. So I just fixed in my wig. Yeah. I also got this anyway from Ma Hairways. Yeah. I also got this from Ma Hairways, and I'm going to also, like I said, I will link a description our Instagram handle in my description box below. So just check out. She have nice hairs, and then get back to her because you're really gonna love her hairs anyway. So I'm just kind of trying to finish up my makeup to look pretty, to look flawless. Not too much makeup, not too much foundation, not too much not too much powder in my face. I'm still on my wristwatch now. Oh, that's my best birthday gift ever that I've ever grabbed anyway. Actually, is my normal lip gloss. We all know this lip gloss, right? It's just a normal lip gloss, but please let me know in the description box if you are the type that even if your lip gloss is exhausted, you still want to make sure everything is coming out of it. I so much like that lip gloss anyway, but don't worry, I'm going to get new one for myself. So I'm kind of using my edge, is it edge control they call it, or what's not, to like make sure my hair is lining into place and make sure that my hair is giving me what I want, the kind of look I want to get. That's what I'm actually doing right now. And as you can see, you see that's why I said hit on that subscribe button because you have
Okay, we'll
a
repeat and
lot
go
of
out.
things you will not like to
Makeup and
miss out.
get some wipes and clean off all the essences on my hand. Like today, I've never suffered before in putting lashes, but this lashes almost took me 30 minutes. I don't know. He don't want to enter or what. See me see trouble. Anyway, I finally got it. It has never been this hard for me to fix my lashes. So, but today one is so annoying. But what are you saying about my makeup? Hope my simple makeup is okay. I'm actually going out to see a friend. Yeah, there are some things we need to talk about. So, I just feel I should look. As a YouTuber, anything can happen. I might go there and decide that I want to start vlogging. So I need to be prepared. So okay, I think I'm done. So I'm gonna be showing you my full outfit that I'm going to wear. Like I'm wearing this gown actually, but I'm going to put on a kimono jacket on it. So let's just. Okay, this is my outfit. Yes, I'm all set with, like I said. So this is actually it. Let me see if I can get it down for you guys. Okay, this is my outfit. Ha! So this is my outfit. Then we are going to. Okay, guys, I'm going to be seeing you when I'm back. Okay, guys, I just came back. This is uh to 6 already. This is to 6 already. So I just came back like today. I don't know if you've seen it. The place is dark and never. I hope you're seeing me very clear now. Very clear now. So guys, I'm back. As you can see, my makeup is already, I don't know. So I'm back. So today was actually a fulfilled day. I went out to see some of my friends, some of my old friends that I've forgotten so long, and today is like all of them were just planning me. One person called me, but actually some more than one person. Like all of them was like, "You don't want to see us, so we want to see you." Well, not like actually I don't want to see them. It's because of the nature of my job. So if you're current on this my channel, you should know that nature of my job is kind of stressful and at the same time hectic. So it's because of my job. So we only have more chit chat. They were like, Sonia, so you're finally a YouTuber, and I say a YouTube channel, and that's what you're trying to claim. Like, I don't get. I actually wanted to record the conversation, but I said, there's no need. Let me just let them be. Let me just see what they want to say. Let them finish me, then cast me. No issues. So we actually had a lot of chit chat, and it was so nice. It was so nice seeing them again. It was so nice seeing them again. Some of them actually had a baby, and I don't even know. God, one of them had a baby. She had a baby girl. Like when I saw her with the baby, I was like thinking if it's her sister's own or I don't know. But she now said no, that it's her baby, blah blah blah, that she tried to reach me several times and the rest of that. I was kind of wow. I'm happy to see my old friends. Like my old friends, there is a lot of development and a lot of improvements. So some of my friends are now into business, and once they are done creating their business banner, I'm going to be linking it on my channel description box so you can help patronize them. Some of them were like, okay, I like this YouTubing stuff you're doing, and I don't know if you can put me through. And I laughed. I was like, I just started though, but I can give you the little idea I have. So they were like happy. They said okay, they'll be happy to start up their own YouTube channel, and I actually encouraged them to start up so that we can start the struggle together instead of waiting for a long period of time before they will be thinking of starting their channel. So I always say the best time is now. So I actually told them, if you're really interested, it's cool filming, it's lovely filming, and why not join? It's a personal risk on its own. So there's no need shying away from me telling them what is there. Like, and I was able to tell them most of my mistakes that I made on my channel, that's most of my mistakes that I made. So copyright stuff, strike, and every other stuff, I was able to tell them so that they can be able to have one or two ideas, so that whenever they are going to start their own channel as well, it's not good that they're not going to make the same mistake I made, because I know I would have gone far than this if not because of those mistakes I made that I never knew. So, and I'm not regretting starting all over. Like I always said, I'm not regretting starting all over. It's cool by me. I'm okay. So like a lot of things happen, like a lot of gist, even the one I'm aware, the one I'm not aware, the one that was happening when I was not around. They were just telling me plenty things. And some actually got married. They were like, Sonia, I tried reaching you several times, but is it that you were not picking, or when you pick you'll be like, I'll call you back, and the rest of that I never called back. I was like, oops, I'm sorry. I accepted all the blames, Sha. I accept. There's no need saying I will not accept the blame. So they actually planned me today. Yes, it's a plan work, because it was one person that called me that, Sonia, how far, let's see. And from that one person, that's why when I said it, I was like, I want to go and see a friend. And when I got that, I saw more than 6 persons, 7 persons. What is happening? All of them was like, God don't catch you today. God don't catch you. That work you they do, if you say you cannot see us, you cannot say hello, you cannot. Sonia, this your life is bad. I was like, I'm sorry, forgive me. There is nothing I'll say again, just to say sorry. So it's really nice seeing my friends, meeting them, and the rest of that. I'm so happy. And if you're seeing this video, you're still deliberating, or you're still thinking, should I start up a YouTube channel, should I not start up a YouTube channel? Please, if you're interested in starting up a YouTube channel, to me it's cool. You can start up, because I don't think YouTube in now and YouTube in 10 years to come will be the same policy. So now that the policy is a little bit favorable, I think if you are interested, you can start up. There is no big deal there. Yeah, even not for anything, for memory's sake. Sometimes I just fall back to some of my videos. I'll be like, whoa, I think there's a lot of growth and a lot of development on this girl's head. So guys, if you want to start up, I feel you start now. I feel this is the right time. There's no need beating around the bush. Let's just hit the nail on the head and start up something. You can start filming with your phone. Yeah, like even as I'm talking to you currently now, I'm using my iPhone 7 Plus to film. So I still use my phone to film. I'm using my other phone, Camon 16, Techno Camon 16, to use as my lightning. And you can see how the light is kind of bright. See, this is what I'm using. This is my phone. And you see, if I bring it like this, it's cool. So even without, don't wait until you get all the resources that you're thinking. You use what you have to get what you want. Start with what you have. It's going to go a long way. Oh God. Oh yeah, you stay away, because I use you and I don't want to stay away. So start with what you have. It's definitely gonna go a long way. Yeah. So that is basically it for today. There is no need prolonging this video, so we have to end it here. But first, if you've not subscribed to my channel and this is the first time you're seeing this beautiful damsel, this fine baby here, please do ensure to subscribe to my channel, as my channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, and vlogs. Yeah, That is what we do basically on this channel. So if you've not subscribed to The Anojas in the building, please do ensure to click that subscribe button, as it's going to be very important. Please leave a comment below on the comment section if you are the type of person that is doing a very stressful job, that you are not able, you can't see your friends, you only see them once in a while, and once they plan you the way they plan me, something don't happen. Leave a comment below. Leave a comment below. So anyways, let's be cutting this video from here. So I'm going to say bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. My best family.